Hello everyone. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 methods for managing dandruff at home. Dandruff is a common scalp condition characterized by white or yellow flakes of dead skin cells that can clump together and appear on your scalp and hair. It can result from various factors such as dry skin, oily skin, seborrheic dermatitis, or sensitivity to hair care products. Common symptoms include white, oily flakes in your hair and on your shoulders, along with an itchy, scaling scalp. Although dandruff isn't serious or contagious, it can be uncomfortable and embarrassing. Luckily, there are several effective methods to treat dandruff based on its cause and severity. Let's explore the best ways to control your dandruff. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the scalp's pH levels, which can inhibit the yeast that contributes to dandruff. Additionally, it has antimicrobial properties that can fight fungal infections. To use it, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. After shampooing, apply the mixture to your scalp, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that can help eliminate the yeast responsible for dandruff. It also helps reduce scalp inflammation and itching. For best results, add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo, or mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing and moisturizing qualities that can ease dryness and reduce scalp irritation. Additionally, its antifungal properties can help fight the fungi responsible for dandruff. To use it, extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. For best results, repeat this process a few times a week, and you'll start to see improvements over time. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda serves as an exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and reduce flakes while also balancing the pH level of the scalp. To use it, wet your hair and scalp, then massage a handful of baking soda into your scalp. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Use this treatment sparingly, as excessive use can be drying to your scalp. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that combats dryness and reduces flakes while also offering antifungal properties. Warm some coconut oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on overnight or for a few hours before washing it out with a gentle shampoo. For best results, repeat this treatment a few times a week. 6. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which helps balance the scalp's pH and reduces yeast that causes dandruff. It also functions as a natural astringent to control oil production. To use it, dilute freshly squeezed lemon juice with water and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Avoid using this remedy if you have any scalp cuts or open wounds. 7. Camphor. Camphor has antifungal properties that help combat dandruff, and its cooling sensation can relieve itchiness and scalp irritation, common symptoms of dandruff. To use, mix a few drops of camphor oil with coconut oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. 8. Rosemary extract. Rosemary contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and cineol, which have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help combat the fungi or yeast on the scalp that cause dandruff. Additionally, rosemary can help balance sebum production, reducing the occurrence of dandruff. Here are 2 ways to use rosemary for dandruff. Rosemary oil scalp massage. Dilute a few drops of rosemary oil with coconut oil or olive oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp for a few minutes and leave it on for about 30 minutes before shampooing your hair. Rosemary infused rinse. Prepare a rosemary infusion by steeping fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water for about 30 minutes. After shampooing, rinse your hair with the cooled rosemary infusion. 9. Neem oil. Neem oil contains antifungal compounds that combat the fungi causing dandruff and has anti-inflammatory properties to reduce scalp inflammation, relieving itching and redness. Its fatty acids help moisturize the scalp, reducing dryness and flaking, while promoting a balanced scalp pH, improving blood circulation, and nourishing hair follicles. This contributes to a healthier scalp and potentially reduces dandruff. To use, mix a few drops of neem oil with coconut oil, massage it into your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. 10. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds contain mucilage, which moisturizes the scalp and reduces dryness and flakiness associated with dandruff. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an irritated scalp, alleviating itching and inflammation. Additionally, fenugreek seeds possess antifungal properties that help control the overgrowth of fungi or yeast on the scalp, which can contribute to dandruff. To use, soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight and grind them into a paste. Apply the paste to your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. Apart from these methods, you may also consider following. Practice proper hair hygiene, avoid using excessive hair styling products, as they can lead to a buildup of oils and dead skin cells. Additionally, don't share combs, brushes, or towels to prevent the spread of dandruff-causing fungi. Massage your scalp regularly. Massaging your scalp while shampooing or using natural oils like coconut oil or tea tree oil can improve blood circulation and prevent dryness. Leave the oil on your scalp for a few hours before washing it out. Maintain a healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can promote a healthy scalp. Ensure you consume foods containing omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Manage stress levels. Stress can worsen dandruff symptoms. Engage in stress-reducing activities like exercise, meditation, or hobbies to help control dandruff. Avoid hot water and excessive heat. Hot water can strip your scalp of natural oils, leading to dryness and dandruff. Similarly, excessive heat styling, such as blow-drying or using flat irons, can contribute to a dry scalp. Opt for lukewarm water and limit the use of heat styling tools. Don't scratch your scalp. Scratching can further irritate your scalp and worsen dandruff. If your scalp feels itchy, use a gentle touch or try a medicated anti-itch cream. These are a few methods to keep dandruff in check. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.